I chopped up my Monstera Albo, and this is the last little bit, and I don't know what to do with it. So all I'm going to do is grab some sphagnum moss, I'm going to wrap it up in this, and then I'm going to place it onto here. Effectively, I'm going to try and design what will effectively be a bonsai Monstera Albo. So let's see if I can wrap this all up into what will be a ball, and it's going to end up sitting in this kind of a position here, just all in one big ball at the bottom. First things first, let's get a load of this moss. We're going to get it nice and damp as well, and then all I'm going to do is use this to wire it all up together. I've never done this before, so this is going to be exciting. It's either going to go horrendously wrong, or it could be one of the best things that I've actually designed as a houseplant enthusiast. Right, I've got my moss. Let's get it nice and damp. I broke this, which is why I'm having to pump it up and down manually. Right, so let's get this all in to some form of a ball. Let's loop this over and over again until we find the right spot. Now there we go, perfect. Right. Let's loop this through in a slightly different way as well. Do you know what that will do? Let's try and start making this moss sit in without creating any damage. Like I said, this is either going to go really well or it's not going to go well at all, and it was a disaster. Let's get some of this. I don't know how I'm going to try and make this turn into a ball, but I think I can probably do it. Thinking more along the lines of this. Right, I've got an idea. Let's see if I can try and wrap it around. Now, I'm going to use the root system as a way of being able to get this all to sit in place. Probably not the best idea doing this on top of my bed, but hey, we move on. I'm going to throw this out there. That's not bad going. I'm going to try and add a little bit more to this moss ball. If I can wrap it up a little bit more. And then I'm just going to place it on top to sit. Which will be really cool actually if this goes well. I'm thinking I need some around here too. Now that's my kind of thinking there. At this point it's turning into a Christmas tree. Some more of this bad boy. Right, that is my makeshift Monstera bonsai ball. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it back onto this pot, which isn't the prettiest, but I'm just going to sit it on top. I want to get some stones and everything that can sit at the bottom and then turn it into an actual design, but this is what it looks like. A big ball of nothing. I'll keep you posted, and fingers crossed, we're actually going to get some growth out of this. It's in the perfect position too. I'm going to place it by the window and then hope that it's going to collect a little bit of moisture and it will start to turn into a beautiful flower. But yeah, I'll keep you posted, but this is what it looks like. Merry Christmas, great tree. Just so you guys can get a better look, this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Looks great, doesn't it? Looks just like what I thought it would. Thank you very much for watching.